It's Viktoria for Taiwan TV, and yeah, we are still at the Mobile Monday here in Berlin. And you know, yeah, there are so many iPhone apps out there, and you know the problem, how to find or how to sell your iPhone app best in the App Store. And I found the man for you who has the solution. So Kjell, just introduce yourself and your business.
Okay, sorry. The name is Kjell Fischer. I am one of the founders of Apprupt. You can find us on apprupt.com. What we're offering is a performance-based marketing network for iPhone applications. We help iPhone developers get upsell or get more sales based on performance, so they don't have to pay any money up front. We've developed a tracking tool by which we can tell via which platform or which sources iPhone apps were sold. For example, if you see an advertisement on one platform for an iPhone application and the user clicks on that banner and buys your app afterwards, we can tell you that the user came via this banner.
Okay. So you make this simple affiliate marketing story, but do you do besides banner? Do you do more stuff, or do you more promotional stuff, or how does it really? Let's use a use case, an example. Develop one app, and what do you do? What are the next steps?
Well, I actually use the banner only to give an example. We actually don't do banner at all. What we do is we offer app stores for partners, for platforms that have a specific user structure. Let's say you have a very big German magazine, Bravo.de, a youth magazine. They're interested in entertainment for their customers. They might be interested in news for their customers. They might be interested in sports for their customers. Apps that they can load onto their iPhone or their iPod Touch, and that other users, for example, from a financial platform, wouldn't be interested. So we say
make sort of a pre-selection.
It's sort of like a sub-page, like an app store in front of the actual app store, and users can there see a selection of apps that are suited for their interests.
It sounds like a pretty simple solution for a big problem which is out there, and you offer now all the people the opportunity to integrate an app store, specifically focus on the things they are already doing on their website. And who pays for it? How do we make your money finally?
The user pays for it, and well, in the end consequence. But as I said, we're performance-based, so we take a revenue share for each sale that was generated by us. We take a revenue share from the developer. We are directed at developers. We take their content, offer it, and then take a revenue share, and in return also offer the publisher that has the content or the apps on his website or mobile site a revenue share as well.
Let's get everybody understood your idea thing, very good, because it's very nice and simple. And let's get back on a higher level. What do you think are the next mobile entertainment trends in general?
Well, this is a very interesting topic, because I think there's a lot of movement in the market right now, and I think if we're talking mobile entertainment, the iPhone is one of the most important devices out there. It's simply because it has so much usability. You know, there's so much flow to the way it interacts, and there actually is a new OS coming out, the OS 3, and it will offer some very cool new features that will enhance and enable a lot more mobile entertainment, and specifically monetization, which means you can now have multiplayer, you can network with your gaming via your iPhone, or you can upsell, you can have in-app sales, which means you offer a basic solution for a game, and then the user plays, for example, 10 levels, and the 11th level he has to pay for, which wasn't possible before, and which will enable a lot of more development towards gaming on the iPhone, or towards entertainment on the iPhone.
So you really believe in the future of the iPhone and only the iPhone?
Well, we're only at the beginning of it. If you look at it, it's still operator bound, you know, and it's still somewhat expensive. What happens if data rates get lower? What happens if it's not operator bound anymore, but every operator out there offers an iPhone? There's a lot to come with the iPhone, and with the iPod Touch as well.
So to summarize it, you still believe in the future of the iPhone, and that's why you focus with your company on the iPhone, right? Or do you have plans for also hitting on other devices?
We're focusing on iPhone.
Okay, very clear. So what kind of partners are you looking for?
Any kind of partner that has a specific user structure, and that's almost every partner out there.
Okay. So anybody out there who fits in that very detailed description of partnering, how can they contact you?
They can contact me via my email address or via Xing or LinkedIn. The name is Kjell Fischer. The email address is kf@apprupt.com. But I would like to add one more thing. We are not only directed at publishers, we're also directed at developers. So we're looking for content. If there's developers that want to market their app, they can contact me as well.
You will develop the app? Okay.
No, we will not develop, we will sell.
Okay. Pretty cool. Thank you for the insights.
Thank you.